Hello there. Today I want to show you the trend scanner indicator, which is a high profile indicator that was specifically coded for me by a professional coder. You cannot find this indicator anywhere else on the internet, since, like I say, it was specifically coded for me, and well, this is the first time I'm releasing it to the public, so you certainly cannot find it anywhere else but on this website. The point of this indicator is to find trends across the board on multiple time frames and on multiple currency pairs at any given time and in real time. As you can see down here, the indicator keeps track of all the different currency pairs: the euro against the American dollar, the sterling pounds against the American dollar, the American dollar against the Japanese yen, the American dollar against the Swiss franc, etc., etc. Basically, all the major currency crosses. And right here at the left end of the chart, you have all the different time frames, all the way from the weekly to the 5 minutes time frame. This indicator is color coded. If you get a red line, well, that means that particular currency cross on that particular time frame is downtrending. If you get a gray line, it means that currency pair at that particular time frame is showing no clear bias either to the upside or to the downside. Is showing no clear market directional bias, and therefore is kind of moving sideways or certainly not trending at any rate. And finally, if you get a green line, it means that particular currency cross is uptrending on that time frame. Okay, what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna select one random time frame. I don't know, the weekly, the first one, for example. Let's assume you're a weekly time frame trader, you're a long-term trader, and therefore you are searching for trends on that particular time frame in order to, well, trigger your entries according to that trend. The point of this indicator is to, well, speed up the process of finding trends, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out this particular chart on the weekly time frame, so you can see how accurately the trend scan indicator finds trends across the board, okay, on these currency pairs that are showing a trendiness scenario as per the trend scan indicator. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video now for a couple of minutes to pull out all these different charts, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, here we are back with all the different 9 crosses, 9 currency pairs that are showing trendiness scenarios as per the trend scanning indicator. Up here we have the American dollar against the Japanese yen. On the weekly time frame, the trend scanning indicator is showing a downtrend on this currency pair. So, well, let's see if it's actually true. Let me expand out the chart for the USD against the Japanese yen. And, well, yeah, certainly we can see a clear downtrend scenario. We would, in this case, search for, well, particular bounces to the downside in order to trigger further short opportunities in the direction of the trend as signal or as called by the indicator. Okay. Let me get this back in place. Next one up, for example, the euro against the against the sterling pound on the weekly time frame. It's up here, and it's showing an uptrend. Let's see if that's actually true. Well, yeah, I would say this is a rather clear uptrend. Again, we would be searching for long opportunities only on this currency pair and on this time frame. Next one up. Down here, the sterling pound against the Japanese yen, the indicator is calling a downtrend. Let's see if this is actually true. This is the weekly chart for the sterling pound against the Japanese yen, and well, yeah, the market is swinging to the downside, so we would be searching for short opportunities only. Next one up, the sterling pound against the Swiss franc, another downtrend. let's verify that. Let's verify the accuracy of this trend scanner indicator. In, well, yeah, pretty much the same outlook, isn't it? Down swinging formation. Okay, searching for short opportunities only. Next one up, Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Let me pull this up and expand it out for you guys. Yeah, we had an uptrend all the way up to here, and from there price began swinging down, and that's what the indicator is calling. Next one up, sterling pound against the Canadian dollar, also on the weekly time frame. This one up here. And, well, yeah, certainly another downtrending scenario. A little bit of confusion there, a little bit of a range. Actually, we can mark a clear range, well, sideways price action, but from there, well, price again has been moving to the downside. So yeah, another downtrending scenario. Next one up, New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Another downtrend, plenty of downtrends on the long-term outlook charts. Let me expand out the New Zealand dollar. Pretty much the same outlook. The downtrend begins there, and from there price has been swinging down. So again, only searching for short opportunities. How about the next one up, the euro against the New Zealand dollar? Right there. Whoops, sorry about that. Alright. Oh yeah, wow, beautiful uptrend, beautiful uptrend. We will only be searching for long opportunities there. And finally, the last chart that's been showing a trending bias on the weekly time frame is the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc on the weekly chart. And yeah, another down swinging price formation. Okay, clearly downtrending, and therefore we will be only looking for short opportunities. That's the point of this indicator, clearly to identify trending scenarios as quickly as possible, just wasting no more than 10 seconds. Cherry pick your favorite time frame. See which currency pairs are showing a trending scenario as per the trend scanner indicator, and from there, pull out your chart and begin searching for opportunities. Now, this indicator can actually be customized as you wish. If you click on indicator list, the trend scanner indicator, and you click on edit. Well, obviously you can modify the colors, okay, to your choice. You can also edit the time frames you are interested in. For example, if you only want the trend scanner indicator to call or to signal trends on the weekly time frame, you simply click all the other currency crosses, all the other time frames to false. Okay, they are set to true by default. You just need to click all of them into false, and then down here you can select the currency crosses you would be interested in. Okay, if you want, for example, let's assume you are not interested in trading the euro against the American dollar. Well, no problem. You just delete it, click on OK, and as you can see, the trend scanner indicator will only show the trends on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, the euro is no longer here. Okay, the euro against the American dollar was there, the first one on the left. It's no longer there. Since we've edited out, we are now getting the sterling pounds against the American dollar as our first currency pair. Alright, so that's basically how this indicator works. Now what you can do is to contract the trend scanning indicator window all the way back, all the way to the bottom of your chart, and now, well, you can simply begin pulling out your regular charts, okay, up here, and you begin trading as usual, leaving the trend scanner indicator down here at the bottom, okay, to like I say, warn you or signal trends for you in order to search for trading opportunities within the minute, without needing actually to browse through or to comb through all the different currency crosses. it does it automatically for you. In well, those are the those currency crosses where a trend is being called by the trend scanner indicator. That's where you want to search for trading opportunities. You don't want to search for trading opportunities in currencies that are not showing any specific market bias either to the upside or to the downside. So you waste no time, you dive right into those currencies that are showing a clear market bias, and therefore that's how you would be increasing your your trading opportunities, okay? And at the same time you would be wasting no time well, analyzing unnecessary charts or charts that are not showing any clear market bias. That's the point of the trend scanner indicator, to save up time for you, to search for trends for you, so you know exactly in what currency pairs, in which currency pairs, and in which time frame to search for trading opportunities. Alright? Now, unfortunately, I cannot offer this indicator for free since, well, quite frankly, I paid dearly. I paid dearly for it. And like I said, I had to hire a professional programmer to custom code it for me. So what I'm gonna do it is I'm just gonna offer it as well, I'm just gonna offer it at a fraction of what I paid for it. Hopefully you guys can take advantage of this indicator. It's certainly worth it. Okay, it's a great indicator, and like I say, it's gonna cost you a fraction of what it did cost me, so I believe it's a good opportunity. If you would like to get your own copy, just scroll down under this video. You'll find the purchase button. It's a lifetime license. There is no monthly fee or anything to use it. You just pay once and you can use it for good, for as long as you want. There is no expiration date. And like I say, once you get your copy, you're good to go. You are good to use it for as long and as often as you want. Okay. So if you are interested, just scroll down in this